I'm Kate Schwenke and welcome back to my channel for a bit of an odd video today. So I placed an order on Madewell a little less than a year ago. I want to say like I placed this order in August of last year, so we're coming up on the year mark. And I've been meaning to unbox this for all this time, and I kept like missing the timing and then I forgot about it. So I have two things here to share with you guys, and I know for sure that the bag in here is still available on the website, but not in this color, and I cannot for the life of me remember what wallet I bought here. So this is very likely available on the website as well, but possibly not in this color. I don't even remember what color I got. So I know this is a little bit of a weird video, but I thought it might be fun if we unboxed my Madewell order from a year ago. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the wallet that I got. Oh, that's a nice color. Now, they do have this color still available. So this is the Essentials wallet, and I have it here in Warm Cinnamon. I'm really glad that they put a tag on there that tells me absolutely everything about this wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap that first, because I think I saw this on the website and they actually still have this color. So this is a really pretty color. Ooh. I have some stuff already that I own that is this color, and it's like called Brandy. So if that helps you out, there it is. It's called Warm Cinnamon. There is the front, and it has a zip all the way around. I love zip around wallets. So once again, this is it says New Essentials wallet. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love my other wallet, which is the Sydney. It's been amazing, and I've been using it non-stop. So I thought it might be fun at the time when I ordered this a year ago to have a secondary wallet, but then I just never ended up moving out of the Sydney wallet because it was so amazing. But I loved that this one opens flat like this, where the Sydney does not do that. You have these card slots here. You have this little snap pocket. Looks like you got a little thing here. I don't know, it's an actual snap. It's not like a magnetic snap. So there's a little pocket there, the snap. And then besides that, I think, yeah, you have a pocket under there. And on the other side, you have a pocket under there. And it looks like it can hold 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So that's great. And then besides that, you also have this top pocket here for cash. So I love that. I still love this. When I originally saw it online, I was like, ooh, that might be a good secondary wallet. So I bought it, and then I never opened it. But I'm so excited now that I have a new wallet to play with. So another thing about this one is that it's a lot slimmer than my Sydney wallet. Like, it's very flat. Now, it may not be like that once I fill it up, but we'll see. So that is the New Essentials wallet. I also have in here, I think it's called the Zip Top Tote. I wanted something with the zipper on top because I don't like it when my stuff is just all exposed. At least I'm pretty sure I got the one with the zipper. And the color, if I remember right, was like this really pale, like tannish brown color. It was really pretty, and I was like, oh, that would be so great for fall, spring, and summer. So, and I know that they don't have this color anymore because it went out of stock shortly after I bought this. Here we go. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, I hope they bring this color back, you guys. So this is the medium transport tote. And it doesn't say it's got a zipper, but I feel like it did. Isn't this color nice? Ooh. So pretty. Very me. Oh, it's so nice. I'm such a huge fan of Madewell bags, you guys. Like, you could say I'm a little obsessed, but I do try to space out when I do buy one, and obviously when I unbox one. But I loved that it had the tote straps, but it also has this long shoulder strap that you can remove. And it looks like I may have to do some undoing here so we can dig onto the inside and see what that looks like. There we go. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is my first time actually holding this in person. I feel like I've seen these in the store because I go fairly often, but I just never fully like actually looked at one. So this is my first time. It smells amazing, you guys. Oh, I love leather so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and, it is the zip top one. Yes, awesome. I think I'm just gonna move right into this bag this week. It's so beautiful. All right, I think there's probably a tail at the end, but I can't access it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this stuff out so you guys can see it. There's a lot of padding. With it being summertime, I felt like I needed something a little bit bigger to keep track of all my stuff and my kids' stuff, because I have 3 boys and they are just, I have to carry things for them still. It gives me excuses to buy more bags. Oh, this is so nice on the inside. So it's like the, I like the way that they finished the inside. I feel like that's the way that my Sydney crossbody bag was too. The way they kind of have like a finished leather, but it's not like the glossy outside type of leather. So that's the front, or no, that's the back. Back, front, and it's squishy, you guys. I love it. And then you have, well, I didn't get to show you guys the zipper on top. I'm struggling with it though because I think I need to have the tail out like that. If you guys can see that, I need that tail out so that I can fully access everything inside. That's what the top looks like. So I hope they have lots of colors for this, available for this for you guys. There we go. Now I can really get in there. So it's mostly like a big empty hole, but there is one side pouch part. Can you guys see that? So it's a nice side pocket that kind of, when you open it, as you can see, it kind of just sticks to the side over here. And I feel like height-wise, I should be able to stick my phone in there. But if not, I think this front pocket would hold my phone nicely. So there is that pocket. And then the rest of the bag is just big and empty. Like I said, there's not much going on in there. But the great thing about that is that I can fit a planner in there. I can fit bottles in there if I need to. It's the kind of bag that I feel would benefit from having an organizer of some sort, so I may do that. I think I am gonna do a packing video on this bag and a review, and if you guys would like to see that, please give this video a thumbs up to let me know, or comment down below and tell me that you'd like me to pack, how you'd like me to pack this up, or what you want to know about this bag. But this is the size of it, medium-sized tote. Loving it. And that's basically this video, you guys. Like, I just wanted to show you my order from a year ago and just enjoy it with me opening it after a whole year. And I'm really loving this wallet. I think I'm gonna immediately change from my Sydney wallet to this one and see how much it can hold. I think it's gonna be a good size for me, and I love how narrow it is. So, and then I think I'm gonna move right into this bag from my other bag, which is currently their sling bag, which is amazing as well. And if you guys haven't seen a video for the Sydney crossbody or the sling bag, I will link them both right here for you guys. They are amazing bags. I have a hard time moving out of Madewell bags because they're just so great. So, that's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it fun. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.